Sharkmates, Vinyl Vixen, and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys? This is Wrapsesh!
You didn't do the kick.
Oh.
That is not how that goes. What's kicking, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at...
What's up, guys? This is Wrapsesh!
Close enough. This week we are showcasing a custom car reveal. It is a full reflective wrap on a Chrysler 300.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, which is a play on the movie, you know? Well,
yeah, it was witty.
Yeah.
I think they planned that. It had a really awesome 300 design, which if you guys haven't watched that movie, I feel bad for you.
It's a good movie.
It's amazing.
It's really cool because the design actually flows from like a corner on the rear bumper, and it tells the entire movie all the way around the car,
right.
Scene by scene.
About the Spartans
and
King Leonidas.
It's pretty cool.
So really, really cool design from Glarb Designs. We did the entire wrap on 3M 780 reflective, which was printed on our Mutoh 1682 SR Eco-Solvent Printer. And then we also had some S-Tech Black Damascus clear bra accents in there as well.
The Damascus set it off.
Those were spicy.
Those were spicy accents.
Yeah, so check it out. We hope you enjoy. you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed your time at Wrapsesh.
Wrapsesh!
If you guys want to go above and beyond
That way.
a custom vehicle wrap, make sure to hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to I got it. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel, Wrapsesh. And we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah. Later.